Hello friends, my name is Rakesh and welcome to 5-minute tutorials. Today we will start with part 1 of Git tutorial. We will cover what is version control system, Git, the tools we use and the basic terminologies. If you like my video then do subscribe and like my videos. Let's start with version control system. In a software company, the software team need to manage the code, the source code base over time. Means what was the code 2 months back and what is the new code which we have. So if we need to have the old code which we developed 2 months back, then we should always have that code. And in that code, who changes what, that should also be maintained. So for these things we need a version control system. It could be a central, distributed or a local. In local we do things, copy paste those things manually. in central in centralized version control system we have a client server relationship where all our latest code is into the server. So when a developer needs to work on a particular code, then he needs to pull the code from the server in his local machine and then he will work. And here we need dependency with the server, but in distributed version control system the server always have the latest copy, and also the local computers, the local developers, they also have the copy of the code from the server, the latest copy. So here a developer can always work on the latest code in his local machine, uh, independent. It's very independent of the server, so we do not need direct connection with the server. Always a developer can always work on his local machine and do the changes. Git was created by Linus Torvalds in 2005, and Git lets us, as I told you, store the entire history of software project in a repository. Now what is repository? You can think of repository as a folder. For now I will give details very soon in my next videos. So it is very easy for developers to coordinate who did what changes at what time and why. There are some competitors of Git like GitHub, SVN was there, Bitbucket is there, Perforce and Mercurial. So these are the most popular alternatives and competitors to Git. Now what tools we use for Git? So we do have Git through shell, like it's like a command line, and we also have GUI. So in Git using shell we use git bash. This is the most popular command line, and we can also use git cmd, which is just like a Windows command prompt. And using GUI, one of the most popular one is the source tree, and we can also use git GUI, git desktop and egit plugin in Eclipse. Here are the basic terminology which we follow in Git while learning. So we have git init, git add, git status, git commit, git push, git pull, git clone, git branch. Don't worry about these things if you are new to Git. I will be explaining each and everything in very detail, having a video specifically for git init and for git add, like that. So follow me in my next video, and thank you very much. And if you like my video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also like and comment and do share. Thank you very much.